Hey, my dear audience, welcome back in my another amazing tutorial. This tutorial about coding with AI. So, in the previous tutorial, basically, I shows you about coding, what is coding, and tell you how can you make a tic-tac-toe. So, today in this tutorial, basically, first tell you that what is HTML, CSS means what is coding. So in coding, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is the most important thing in our all videos because when we have HTML, so HTML is stand for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the backbone of every website. If it doesn't have a good HTML, if it doesn't have any HTML, so we can't do text, we can't see images, we can't give links to others, we can't write headlinks. Like if we have HTML in our website, so our website will work, but if not, so our website will be not workable. CSS, what CSS do? CSS does like CSS. First of all, coding is how human talks to computer. It's a set of instructions. We can build games, apps, and websites. Popular coding languages are HTML, CSS, JS, and Python. It's not a magic, it's a logic. Coding is not a magic, it's a logic. When we understand coding, so we can do coding easily because it's only maths. We need, if we know about maths, so we know about coding. If we doesn't know maths, we doesn't know about coding. So what does CSS stand for? CSS, if we have a good CSS in our website, so if you have a CSS in your website, so your website will be aligned. If you are making Facebook, so you doesn't have any CSS, so it will be not aligned. So if you have CSS, so your website will be look more good. So today basically we are gonna, this is the day 2 of the coding with AI. Today we are gonna know, and today we are gonna make a amazing calculator app. How can we make a calculator app? Today's tutorial is only on how can we make a tutorial, how can we make a amazing calculator app. So let's start. So first of all, I am going to give a prompt to cloud.ai. I have opened the cloud.ai. I am giving this prompt that make a, what does what does prompt, make a calculator using HTML, CSS, and JS. Okay, so if you will give this prompt to the Cloud.ai or ChatGPT, so it will generate easily because if you will write HTML, CSS, and JS, so it can be give you HTML, CSS, and JS both link, but it can also give you HTML, so you didn't have to be worried. You didn't have to say that Fatma says that you have CSS is important, because Cloud and ChatGPT will add CSS in only HTML, so you can just copy that link. CSS and JS. Color, you can write color. I need pink, black. Okay, till then the cloud will generate. So I will tell you one more idea to make. Like there are two methods to make your websites, make your to do coding. So the second website, first is cloud.ai, and the second is CodePen and ChatGPT. You will generate code from ChatGPT and CodePen. First of all, I will tell you about CodePen. So CodePen, you will search CodePen in your. You can also have CodePen link in the description. You will search for CodePen. So it will like CodePen is a tool where you can uh, make the video, make the make websites. So for making here, it's saying that give a HTML, CSS, and JS. So where you can have the HTML, CSS, and JS. So easy. First of all, we will give the same prompt to also ChatGPT. You can copy the same prompt. I will copy the prompt. You can choose one and enter it. You can choose one of method you want, and you thinks that is easy. So till then, the ChatGPT will generate our code. We will go to the cloud.ai. Here is cloud, and cloud has generated amazing result for us. You can see, and here you can download it like this. You will click on download as html, and now we will use it. 7 multiply 8 equals to, you can also use it in the maths problems, and clear and delete also, if delete you want to delete. Okay, so our cloud has generated amazing results of calculator. but how can we now generate from CodePen? It's a new thing. So you doesn't know about CodePen. So first of all, I will tell you about CodePen. So now we are on the ChatGPT. ChatGPT has generated the full code. This code is of the HTML. We will copy from this button. We will copy it, and now go to CodePen, and here paste that code. Now you have a query. I think so that you all will have a query. You will say that Fatma says that CSS is important, but ChatGPT doesn't give me CSS because he put the CSS and JS in the HTML, and he only give me a HTML updated code. And now you can see the CSS. If we doesn't have the CSS, so our this will not look too much good. But we says ChatGPT to add on also CSS. So now you can see that our CSS has also added. Now you can see this, and this cloud is looking some similar, but in this clear, and the delete button is red, and this is all pink and black. So let's use it. 7 minus 8 equals 1. Okay, so you are thinking that how can we download it, how can we save it in our desktop, how can we open it, how can we give link to someone. So here you can see this save button. You will click on it. It will be not downloaded. We will click on this save button. Yes. Now you can see, first of all, when we doesn't click on save, so here are these not. But now here you can see these. So you have solved. But you are thinking that, yeah, if I will give this link, so it will be embarrassing because they can also add it HTML code. So you can see here a button with delete option, here is open live in a new tab. So you will click on it, and you can see that it's opening in my new tab. You can see it's opening in my new tab, not in my another tab. So when you will open it, so it will see, you can see it, but I have an error in Kotlin, that's why I can't see. I can view in another tab, but you can also. But if you face any issue in your in making calculator or doing coding, so just let me know in comments. And if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow for more. Wait for my tomorrow's tutorial. Bye bye.